Same shit, nothing is changed. Just when the tank calls cooldown, use it.
Your world teeters on the brink of annihilation.
Perfect.
You will all bear witness to the coming of a new age of destruction.
This time outside was so clean as fuck, man.
Yeah, it was clean until that shit.
The heavens
Move to the other side,
burn.
guys. Do not die, yeah? Don't make a swipe anymore. People have to go, and we're just gonna be sad that we couldn't kill RS. Fucking fourth run.
Yeah, I'm just gonna delete Warlock after.
Me too, man. DG, am I doing fine now?
The heavens
Move,
burn.
guys, move. Careful. Don't die, yeah? Lodian, you're causing parry by alien. I don't. That. Just careful. Apparently, you're doing melee hits while you're.
It's fine.
I'm not even moving, man. I'm just teleporting around.
No, I just saw the add-on say Lodian has parry.
Nice, man. Like, is this a Warlock? This is like a machine.
You will find only
Yeah.
suffering within the
I
realm
think
of
I'll go into
twilight.
barricades like I should.
Enter if you dare.
Attack. Go inside.
Watch your aggro, please.
Watch your aggro, man. Come on. Every time we do the same shit. We're wiping. We do the same shit again. Move, move. You need to move, move. Please don't die. Focus on 2-3 more web counters and everything is. Yeah. We're gonna go out. We're gonna do same shit and kill. Hunter, careful, man. Okay. I always get heart attack, man. When I see somebody's gonna.
Вручи.
Okay, moving now.
Move.
Holy fuck, that was bad. I'm using divine prayer of healing. I'm not divine. Done. La la la.
Low DPS, no?
Yeah, stop on the boss. Only hunters. Only hunters.
Move.
Freedom. Nice. Keep going, keep it up. Only hunters push. Everybody push now. Push. Fix the ceiling, come on. Okay, wait for the buff. Okay, it's on absorb, so you can go out now. Kill the tank hard, eh?
Freedom!
Don't
Freedom!
let him die. Innervate Oxy, please. Bobby.
Oxy, go back a bit, please.
Matic. Sprint.
The heavens
Move to the other side. Bad
burn.
meteor. You might have to. Yeah, here. Watch out the flames. Watch out the flames, please. Yep. Left. Move.
Stop on boss.
Kill the ads.
The heavens
Move to the other side, guys.
burn.
Move. We're pushing fast, by the way.
Oxy almost
Hi.
died.
I don't know how, man.
Don't die.
Move, flames. Careful.
Do you
Don't
care
die.
about-
Yeah. Don't you have Ang? Why no?
Maybe he's in flame.
Nice.
Yeah, he's in the flame. Just use cooldown. He's gonna rest after
He
this.
said he can't do ank res him.
Bob doesn't have rest for 30 seconds.
It's fine.
It's fine, one Volipala and one rest is on. Just keep going.
Call for a guardian if you need inside.
The
I'm
heavens
gonna do him next time.
burn.
Move. Doing him now.
He'll
Doing
Kill.
him now. Heal the tank, doing him now. Also gonna do prayer if needed.
More DPS on the edge.
Oh fuck, I got consumption, that's so perfect.
Warlock, careful, Warlock.
Yeah, I stopped.
Warlock, careful. Heal me up, hello. Why am I dying, man?
Guys, finish the Inferno, I really can't DPS it.
Yeah, it's that.
It's fine.
The heavens
Move, guys,
burn.
move, meteor, move. Bad side, whoever is that.
Heal me up.
Be rest that guy, why now? Bob, be rest,
Slow
why
up.
now?
Stop
Outside.
on boss, heal the tank.
Slow outside on the boss.
Explore outside,
Yeah.
yeah, kill the edge.
La. Dege. Kill the embers now.
You can DPS the boss too.
The
Range
heavens
switch to the boss.
burn.
Move, guys, move. Don't die, please. Don't. Yeah, BL outside now. Focus. Flames, careful.
Grip the Emperor. Kill.
Kill the tank. Handle
the
protection.
tank hard.
Bob the warlock, please.
Can you sack the warrior tank outside? Sack.
Oxylove! Fucking idiot!
The
It's fine.
heavens
Move to the other side.
burn.
Get the sacrifice. Yeah, nice.
Kill the
Okay.
boss, ignore the edge, kill the boss.
Just ignore the edge, full power boss.
Just MD the Inferno, MD it.
Yeah, I did. GG, good job.
Relish this victory.
Be
your last.
No.
9?
This world will burn
Too many.
with the Master's return.
And this shaman, man, Oxylove. Are you fucking serious, bro? You literally started moving after 5 seconds to get a debuff. I'm calling out your name. And you're the same guy that wiped us. Dude, start playing properly, man.
Selling warlock if anyone interested.
Man, this warlock I will take.
And it's fucking AIDS, like do 4 spells on Inferno, GG, stop it. Oh wait,
Go, start the rule with the loot. Am I the loot master?
No, I am, I forgot totally, wait.
Brain scored, wait, let me first.